At OPEX, being the next generation of automation isn't just a slogan. It's a legacy built on a half-century of long-term vision and a focus on forward thinking. OPEX is an innovator in automation technology with hundreds of patents and around 1,600 employees. We have installations in warehouses, mailrooms, and businesses across 5 continents, servicing nearly half of Fortune 100 companies. And that success is built upon our dedication to reimagining automation technology to power progress and the future of our customers. From initial prototyping to final manufacturing, installation to service and support, OPEX takes ownership of the full product lifecycle. This ensures our customers have the best experience fulfilling their automation needs. And this is accomplished by our commitment to our team of experts that are grounded in decades of experience designing robust automation systems, while encouraged to innovate and pursue new, cutting-edge ideas. Our team is dedicated to making a difference by creating the highest quality products while delivering an unsurpassed level of service. What's next is always a challenging question for any organization. But with a legacy of innovation, experience, and a commitment to quality, we know that we will continue to help our customers find the answers they're looking for now and in the future. OPEX, the next generation of automation.